So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me for this look. I'm going to Newport today. I'm going with my friends and I'm gonna be having a great time. Enjoy. Hello. So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. Hello? No. I'm making a video. So I already primed my canvas. Her face is like a canvas and I'm an artist. I'm not a makeup artist, but I try my best. So I put on moisturizer, but the real kicker is this Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. I used it for the first time yesterday under my makeup and my skin looked snatched. So we're gonna do that. Really disgusting, really oily on your face, but we want that slick look. I feel like I just dipped my face in a grease frying pan. Love! So after you make your face greasy as fuck, should I put a fucking primer on or what? I'm just gonna put it in my T-zone. I want my pores to be gone, so I'm gonna use the Porefessional. I'm poor, so haha, poor. If you got coins, splurge for the big one. It's a good primer. Yum. Most of these makeup people on YouTube be having like the most perfect skin, and I'm just like, why are you putting on makeup then? But don't worry guys, I'm ugly and I have terrible skin, so you're in luck. So put some random stuff on my face that's not even what I'm gonna use, so pay no mind. I'm gonna take this Bobbi Brown stick. Mine's like pretty much empty, but I work with it. I'm going to blend that out. I'm gonna take my concealer. You always want to buy a concealer that is really very pale compared to your skin tone, so that it like highlights the inside of your face or some shit. You know, you don't want to look like two-dimensional. Even though we are three-dimensional, it's still possible to lose that extra dimension, you know? Oh my god, this concealer is great. Actually, you know what I want to try is the Shape Tape. I don't know if I should have mixed the oil and the primer. That might have been my mistake. Right now I'm going over my blemishes. Now we're gonna do the part that, I don't know, really makes a huge difference. I'm gonna take this little poofy poof. Poofy poof 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 poof.
Turn it around, f it all the way up. Dust it down, turn around, f it all the way up. Bust it.
This powder is coating my lungs.
Looking better every day, you got that bitch.
Oh my god, I have a booger. I think it just got on my face. I don't have time for that.
Hey, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste.
So now we're gonna bronze. Do you guys jewel? I love this. From Fresh. Don't know if anyone knows what that is. I really don't. But I really like this lip color. It just feels like my natural lip color, but like better. This is my fave palette. So simple.
Me and what's his name? I swear to God, word to me.
So we have our desired bronzed look. We can blend it out to the hairline. Like, honestly, the bronzer just brings everything together, and the blush, and the blush, and the highlight. You know what? Everything brings everything together, but I feel like I don't love my foundation until I have the bronzer on. I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows, because sometimes they get powder in them, sometimes they get shit. What do we do now?
Get a bag, Donna. I know how to get a
So I'm gonna wipe my hands off with a makeup wipe, which I feel like is really important to do. Just makeup gets everywhere. I have the Naked 3 and the original Naked. Like, honestly, these look the same. Girl, they have like some of the same shades in here. We're gonna go with Naked 3 because I want more of like a pinky look, a warmer look. Oh, my neck is itchy. Let's get into this. I'm gonna take this fluffy fluff. This is my blending brush. This is like the brush that comes with the palette, which I'm gonna use because you thought I had other brushes. So what I'm gonna do is first take this lightest shade and just put it on my eye. I don't even know if that does anything, but we all know that it's a step. So now I'm gonna take Limit. Gonna be my transition shade. Put that all in the crease.
Make my ex wanna get it back. That's a fact. Say it like
Beautiful. Then I'm gonna take a little darker shade and I'm gonna take it on this brush and go with the Nooner. Nooner. Aw, my dad calls me that.
over here, girl. That's what it's for. What you say?
Then I'm gonna take the shade Buzz. It's kind of like metallic purple.
Ways to deal with this pain. Choose
Beautiful.
I fall, will I fly?
Okay. So now that looks good. I'm gonna take a lighter, like sparkly color called Dust, which is a lot more pinky. I feel like that looks bomb. I don't know what you guys think, but looking certifiably bomb to me. So now I'm gonna take like this kind of like blending brush that's like not so like fluffy. It's like way more smaller, so that I can take that like darker shade, again Nooner, and put it here and just make it a little bit darker. Ew. So now I'm gonna put it in my waterline, but just in the corner.
$1 million I count up in intervals. Without it, I'm miserable.
Hey, so I did my mascara off camera, but it looks good. And now we're gonna do blush and highlight, and then we're gonna be done.
Count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it.
I love this blush.
Count it up, count it. Can't take it when you die, but you can't live without it. Count it up, count it up, count it up.
My friend wants to come get me now, so I'm gonna have to sign off, but not before I get this highlighted.
Die. Oh no, don't stress. Big bills, big bills. I fell in love with big.
And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. Bye.